Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is passive income and the best businesses to start in 2019. So if you're interested in that, stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I put a video out. And with that being said, let's get started into the video. So, how do you make passive income and what are the best businesses to start in 2019? All of these are online, obviously, because online, I believe, is the future. So, the very first one is to sell courses. So, there are a ton of different websites where you can sell courses. You can do that on like at least 10 different websites. There's Udemy. Udemy is a very known one. That's if you don't have a following or anything like that. They'll do the promoting for you. It's really good. So you can do that. You can do it on ClickFunnels as well. It's a very good way to build funnels and get people to actually buy your course, but you would have to either have a following or know how to run really good ads. But if you don't have a following and you've never started affiliate marketing or marketing in general, make sure that you at least have a following or do it on Udemy, because there are tons of other websites that are very good, but you would need to actually drive some traffic. So if you don't know how to drive some traffic, make sure that you use Udemy. The next one is dropshipping. Dropshipping is very powerful as well. So many people are making like 6 to 7 figures a year, even some a month. Some people are making like 3 million. Like, so many people are making a ton of money doing this. So dropshipping is very powerful because you don't have to own a product. So you don't have to buy all this inventory. You don't have to ever touch the product. You don't have to do any of that. You do have to order the product. So what happens is you put some items on your website and people buy these items. What you do next is you order the item for them, and you bump up the price a little bit. So you order the product and you make some money that way. But you have to cover your ad spend, no matter if you're doing influencer marketing, which I highly suggest that you start with that. You pay some influencers to show the product and to get them to buy. I've done this in the past. It really does work. And then you'll scale up with ads. But at first, you really want to do influencer marketing. There's not many ins and outs of it. All you do is you just find a deal with them and make sure that they post the product. And then you'll get some sales and you bump up the price. So you have to make sure that you bump up the price enough to cover the shipping and your advertising cost, no matter if it's influencer marketing, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, it doesn't matter. But you have to make sure that you're making some money and not losing some money. It's quite easy, but you do have to keep that in mind. Now, the next one is Amazon FBA. Now, I haven't done this before, but I know that it's very powerful. So many people are making a killing out of that. They're making so much money. It's insane. So what you do is you order the product, you say it's yours because you'll have your brand name on it, and you ship it to Amazon. And as soon as somebody orders a product, they will order it from Amazon, and Amazon will take care of all the rest, which is shipping, fulfilling the order, and all that stuff. So you don't have to deal with much, and that's why all of these are what I would consider passive income. Now, selling courses are not so much passive income because you do have to deal with customer support and all that stuff. Drop shipping, you do have to fulfill the orders, but you can get someone to do that for you. Amazon FBA, you do have to send the items to Amazon. There is a last one, And this is my favorite one out of all of these, and that's affiliate marketing, because I consider this to be the real passive income. So what happens with affiliate marketing is you have to create an audience. There's not so many choices out there, because if you know how to run ads and you're really good at that, you can absolutely do that. But the best way to do it is by far to have an audience. So how do you create an audience? You become an influencer. So that means if you become famous, like that's quote unquote famous on Instagram, on no matter what platform you choose. It can be Facebook, YouTube, blogging. It really depends, and you don't even have to show your face, but you have to create some content that people are actually enjoying. And once you have that content that people really like, what you do is you sell some affiliate marketing to them. So you get some sort of offer that's congruent with what you're talking about. This is very important, because if it has nothing to do with what you're talking about, there's no point in doing that. So you talk about a subject, you find an offer that is going to help your audience, and you sell it to them. And as soon as they click on your link, you have nothing else to do, because like the company will take care of the shipping, they'll take care of the customer support, they'll do everything, the chargebacks, no matter what it is. You don't have to do anything else. All you have to do is get people to click on the link and buy, because most companies, like, if people don't buy from your link, obviously you're not going to get paid. But if people click on your link, there's a good chance that at least a bit, like, some of them will buy from you. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell. Make sure you check out my other videos, because I've got plenty of more videos going more into depth about everything to make money online. So make sure you don't miss them out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.